Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a General Science class for Class 1 students. My dear students, our today's topic, one word answer and marks distribution. Our today's lecture number is 19. My dear students, let's start our class. At first, we will discuss one word answer. At first, we will discuss one word answer. This is a revision class. Number 1, what kind of surrounding help us to remain healthy? My dear students, the answer will be clean. What kind of surrounding helps us to remain healthy? It will be clean. Number 2, which things cannot grow? My dear students, we know non-living things cannot grow, so answer will be non-living things. Number 3, in how many groups the things can be divided? Answer will be 2 groups. Number 4, which things can eat, breathe and grow? My dear students, answer will be living things. Number 5, what are plants growing in water called? Answer will be water plants. Number 6, which part of the plant grow under the ground? Answer will be root. Next, one word answer. Number 7, what is the stem of big tree called? We know trunk. The stem of the big tree called trunk. Number 8, what do we get from cereals? Answer will be energy. Next, number 9, what kind of seeds can be eaten? Now answer will be pulses. Number 10, what plants live only for a few months? We know herbs. Number 11, which plant needs support of another plants or sticks to stand? My dear students, we know this is climber. Okay. Number 12, which plant crawl along the ground? Answer will be creepers. Okay. Number 13, from where do we get most of our food? Answer will be plants. Number 14, which part of the plant make food? My dear students, we know leaves. Okay. Number 15, what you should wear during car journey? Answer will be seat belt. And the last one word answer, number 16, is through which you should cross the road. Answer will be zebra crossing. My dear students, now we will discuss about marks distribution for class 1 students, and subject is general science. Okay, so this number 1, see, fill in the blanks. You have to answer 8 fill in the blanks in the exam. Total marks carries 8 marks. Number 2, you have to answer 5 true false. True false, you have to answer 5 true false, and each true false carries 1 marks, so total marks is 5. Number 3, next, choose the correct answer. You have to answer 7, choose the correct answer, and each choose the correct answer carries 1 mark, so total marks will be 7. Number 4, matching, you have to answer matching, and the total marks is 5. Number 5, word meaning, you have to answer 5 word meaning in the exam, and each word meaning carries 2 marks, so total marks will be 10. And number 6, odd one out, you have to answer 5 odd one out, and each odd one out carries 1 mark, so total marks will be 5. Number 7, one word answer. My dear students, you have to answer 10 one-word answer in the exam, and total marks will be 10. Number 8, question answer. You have to answer 4 question answer, and each question answer carries 5 marks, so total marks will be 20. Number 9, draw, label and color the picture. You have to draw the figure, then you have to label and color, and the total marks is 8. Number 10, short note. My dear students, you have to write a short note in the exam, and total marks will be 10. Number 11, assignment that you have already submitted, and this total marks is 10. And number 12, neat and cleanliness, the marks is 2. So my dear students, total marks it will be 100 marks. Okay, my dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic properly, memorize properly all question answer and one word answer, word meaning, all topics. Take preparation for half yearly examination. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.